Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav Singh Rathore from Institute of Aeronautical Engineering from Information Technology branch. Today we are going to discuss a topic hybrid topology which is from basic electrical engineering. So here we start. What is network topology? A network topology is defined as a layout of arrangements of elements, usually nodes or links, in a various communication network. Network topologies are used to define or describe the arrangements of various types of telecommunication network. There are five main types of topologies: bus topology, star topology, mesh topology, ring topology, and hybrid topology. In this presentation, we are focusing on hybrid topology. We should know some basic terminologies of network topology. Graph. Network graph is simply called a graph. It consists of a set of nodes connected by branches. In graph, a node is a common point of two or more branches. Sometimes only a single branch may connect to a node. A branch is a line segment that connects two nodes. Any electric circuit or a network can be converted into an equivalent graph by replacing the passive elements and voltage source with short circuits and the current source with open circuit. This means that the line segments in the graph represents the branch corresponding to either passive elements or a voltage source of the circuit. Let us see an example. This is a circuit. This is its equivalent graph. In this circuit, there are four principal nodes and these are labeled as 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 7 branches in the above circuit, among which one branch contains a 20 voltage source and another contains 4 ampere current source, and the remaining 5 branches contains resistors which is of 5 ohms, 30 ohms, 10 and 20. This is equivalent graph corresponding to the electric circuit shown. In that graph there are 4 nodes. Those are labeled with 1, 2, 3, 4 as we have seen. There are same as that principal nodes in an electric circuit. These are 6 branches in the above graph and those are labeled with A, B, C, D, E, F respectively. We got one branch less in the graph because the 4 ampere source is made up of open circuit while converting the electrical circuit into its equivalent circuit. The number of nodes present in the graph will be equal to the number of principal nodes present in the electric graph. The number of branches present in the graph will be less than or equal to the number of branches present in electric circuit. So these graphs are of different types, like one is connected graph, unconnected graph, directed graph, and undirected graph. Let us see some basic details. What is connected graph? If there exists at least one branch between any of the two nodes of the graph, then it is called a connected graph. That means each node is the connected graph will have one or more branches that are connected to it. So no node will present as isolated or separated. Next, unconnected graph. If there exists at least one node in the graph that remains unconnected by even single branch, then it is called an unconnected graph. So there will be one or more isolated nodes in an unconnected graph. Directed graph. If all the branches of a graph are present with arrow, then this is called directed graph because it will show some directions of current flow in each branch. Hence, it is called oriented graph or directed graph. Undirected graph. If the branches of the graph are not represented with arrow, then that graph is called undirected graph since there are no direction of current flowing through it. So it is also called unoriented graph. So what is hybrid topology? An hybrid topology is defined as two or more topologies integrated together. Hybrid technologies can be configured based on the requirement. Hybrid topology adds more complexity but also more flexible to a network. Properly configured hybrid topologies are often easier to explain. It is the combination of the topologies like star, bus, hierarchical star, string star, etc., which is basically the combination of two or different topologies. See, in this diagram, it is connected with two topologies, ring and star. So it will become an hybrid topology, which is in the nodes and equivalent circuits. Let us see advantages of hybrid topology. The advantage of hybrid topology are flexibility in design. It is potentially easier to manage because it has easy design. These two are related. Potentially easier to add or remove nodes. Suitable for large network. Hybrid topology is used for large network because it's easy to add or remove nodes. Some disadvantages of hybrid topology. The disadvantage of hybrid topologies are difficult to design and maintain. These are costly. So with this, we end our session. Hope you like it. Thank you.